Hey my love, so I thought it would be super fun today to do a burgundy eyeshadow look. I have been just so inspired by these holiday palettes that have come out. So I figured that I would use, I guess you're not gonna believe it guys, or maybe you are. But okay, the Grinch palette. Okay, I just can't get enough of it. So I really wanted to do kind of a smoky burgundy look today using naturally the burgundy shades. So I figured that'd be super fun, quick and easy holiday makeup 2025 look. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now I do look probably a little cray-cray, but that's okay. We're just gonna, you know, keep it going because everything in my room here is just totally, you know, a mess. Let's put it that way for lack of a better word. But I'm going to just go ahead and quickly prime my eyes. And so I just want to thank you guys too. We've had so many new members to, you know, our membership here at Alegra Chetti Beauty. And I did not even, you know, they didn't send me a message. I'm glad that I saw because otherwise I wouldn't have known. And I did want to do special things for, you know, the members, for you guys. So thank you guys so much for, I guess, joining my membership. I thought it'd be really fun, you know, if you guys would like me to do private videos where, you know, you know me, I always want to share what's going on in my life, things that I can't share, but I don't know if you're on here because I always worry about who's going to see. But I don't know if you guys want to see that, let me know. But otherwise I could definitely share more in-depth tutorials, more tips and tricks that I can't, you know, don't always have the time to share on here because some of them are kind of, you know, there's a lot of details to them. So we could do that, or we could just do everything. Let me know what you guys want. And I did want to send out gifts. You're getting a membership gift, so I'm going to be sending your membership gifts out. So I think that's very exciting. I'm excited to do that because I love sending out gifts. So I love, you know, friend mail, things like that. So you guys are going to be getting your friend mail soon. So if any of you want to join the membership, I believe the link is down below. So I have to look more into it, but I do believe the link is like right down below. And there'll be lots of perks, lots of fun things for joining the Glam Fam and so, you know, the membership community. So let me just grab a brush here. So how are you guys doing? Are you know, it is pretty much tomorrow. I don't know what day I'm going to get this up, but you know, it's getting closer and closer to Christmas. So are you guys stressed out? I do get a little stressed out, but you know, it's okay. But I'm just going to start just with this pinky. It's a pinky, deep pink. So which one is that called? That's called Ribbons and Bows. So I know a lot of you guys did pick this palette up and it was on sale. It was like $17 at Ulta. So what I'm doing here is just going to put this all over and then, you know, just as our transition color. So now, see, I'm trying to open this Patrick Ta blush for the mirror and I can't. It just won't open. And I've had, you know what, I don't know if you saw my other video, but I just think it's impossible. And I've had a few of these and it's always the same thing. So this is that it won't open. So this is just gonna be something quick and easy if you're looking to do a holiday makeup look very quickly and easily. You know, if you don't have this palette, just go ahead and reach for a matte shade, pretty much, especially if you have hooded eyes, you're gonna wanna use matte in your crease. And so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just putting this rosy matte shade and I'm gonna blend it out really well because I want the deep burgundy shade to kind of be the star of the show. So that is that. Now, I think that's good. What do you guys think? Or should we do a little more? Do a little more on the lower? Should we do the lower lashes right now? Let's do that really quick. So I'm just going to put some underneath just to make everything nice and symmetrical and blend it out. And that's pretty much going to be, you know, how we're going to use that color. So if you're going to do a burgundy eye look and you don't have this palette, kind of just reach for sort of a light burgundy shade, kind of a, you know, something to, because that's just our transition color. Now I'm going to reach into the deep burgundy shade and tap off the excess because we usually deep shades, if there's fallout, you know, they'll get all over your face and we do not want that. So I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. It's pretty easy. This is going to be a really quick and easy option for a holiday party look, you know, smoky eye. And what do you guys think? I'm just addicted to the burgundy. I mean, they've been using burgundy in everything, all the fashion, shoes, purses, you know, burgundy nails are so hot. I did just go, I love wearing press-on nails. So today I went and got some burgundy press-on nails. I got those at Sally Beauty, the beauty supply store. So I'm very excited to put, even though I really love these though, but I was thinking, you know, for the holidays, you cannot beat red nails, right? It's the most fun time of the year to pull out everything reds and burgundies and shimmers. I think that's why I'm just having so much fun playing with all these kind of holiday looks and things like that. So you can also put a little on the outer portion of your eye just to transition that into your lid like that if you want. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with nothing on the brush. Just blend one, just the edge, one into the other, the deep one into the lighter one. And then of course, guys, do we not have to add some sparkle and shimmer? Okay, we need it. It's like, no, we need it. The holidays are not complete. The holiday makeup is not complete without the sparkle and shimmer. So we will be getting into sparkles. And this palette does have the most beautiful shimmers. So, you know, we need to utilize those. So, right, you're like, we need them. That's it. We need them. So that is pretty much it. Actually, I'm just taking the lightest shade. So if you have a different color palette or different shadows, you know, just use the lightest shade kind of you have just to sweep it inwards and blend from your tear duct up to your brow bone just to get a nice well blended look. Like, you know what I mean? We want everything to look cohesive and blended. So what do you guys think? You see how easy that was? Because we can leave it like this, you know, and just have a beautiful matte smoky eye. You know, I could go in with a little, bring back more of the burgundy. Sometimes after you blend, you just want to bring it back because it, you know, it gets a little diluted, but just go ahead and bring it back if you want. So I want it, so give me all the drama, right? Bring me all that. So, okay, now let's just put a little bit of sparkle on because who could resist? Now, they have all of these beautiful sparkles in here, shimmers and glitters, pressed glitters. Look at this one though, but I can't decide. I've used this one over and over again. It's so beautiful. Of course, the green is so stunning. But, oh, here's a burgundy shimmer. Maybe I'll mix the burgundy shimmer with the light pink shimmer. So let's see how that looks. Oh, I just saw another beautiful shade in here that I haven't used yet. It's almost plum-like with little bits of shimmer in it. Oh my God, I really can't take it. And the formula is so beautiful of these Colourpop shadows and the palettes. So you're not going to be, you know, skimping on quality. They're not chalky or anything. They're just perfection. So there's really, you know, you just can't believe the price point because the quality is so amazing. So you definitely don't need, you know, I guess, you know, sometimes you want to buy a more expensive palette. Maybe they have different colors that you like. There's always, if you're in the market for a different palette, like I think Patrick Ta just came out with some palettes. So now I'm just taking though that light pink shade and I'm just going to use that to transition into the deep burgundy because the burgundy, it didn't show up that much over the deep burgundy eyeshadow. It just was very subtle. So if you're looking for a subtle look, that would be the way to go. But if you want a little bit more shimmer, then definitely you want to pair the lighter shimmer over the deep matte color. So isn't that gorgeous, guys? Oh my God. Okay, we need some, I personally do love to tightline for a holiday makeup look. So I'm just going to take, this is just a Rare Beauty liner here, and I'm just going to line my waterline and bring it up a little bit too along the lashes just to make the lashes look thicker and fuller. And this look is pretty much almost ready to go. You are ready to go out the door, ready to go to holiday party, have fun, you know, especially if you're wearing maybe, you know, a dark dress, a black dress, a burgundy, or any dress would go. Do you guys like to coordinate your makeup with your eyeshadow colors with what you're wearing? I know I like to do that. So, you know, I don't want to definitely wear something that might clash, like, you know. But generally I'm one that generally wears black. To be honest, I love wearing black when I go out. But, you know, it depends where I'm at though. You know, it depends what kind of party. Sometimes you're gonna wear something very glam, you know, then, or if it's a very glam. I went to a party in New York City, but it was the summer, in like a rainbow color dress. So, and everybody was like, oh my God, where did you get that dress? Like everybody was talking about the dress, but I liked it. It was just, but again, it was the summer. It had like rainbows. I just thought it was so pretty. So I guess it depends, you know. In the winter though, I'm usually wearing black because I don't know, it's just, maybe it's easier to get out the door in a black dress. You know, when it's so cold out, you don't want to be like, in the summer, there's so many fun options. I feel like, you know, you can wear all the colors, the little dresses, sundresses, whatever. But in the winter, you're just like, please, it's freezing. So it looks like I have a cut on my face here. I might have a cut because my dogs are always pawing at me. So you guys see how quick and easy that was? I'm just going to put on some mascara. I actually, if you guys want to say and chit chat, should we chit chat and put on mascara? Okay, so I have here the Lash Extensionist Mascara from L'Oreal. So this mascara is so good. You really don't even feel like you need lashes with this on. I hope you guys can see here. It's cray cray. It's like, what? The way it makes your lashes look, it's just phenomenal. It's so long, so lifted. I don't know if it's that volumizing, a little bit volumizing, but I have other ones that are more volumizing than this one. But nonetheless, the length, I mean, I have very sparse lashes, like I always say. I don't hardly have any lashes, so if you have some lashes, you might feel like it does thicken a lot. But the way this separates and gives each and every lash all the love and all the attention, it makes every lash stand out, which is really nice. It's very natural too looking. It's not clumpy. It doesn't transfer. So this is very, very special. I mean, I was actually thinking about calling this best mascara that I've tried of drugstore mascara 2025. But do you guys like which is your guys' favorite? Because I know the bubble mascara from Maybelline is so good too. I mean, there's so many good ones out there. But this one just, again, how it makes you look like you have every single lash. It's like giving all the love to every lash. And I just think that's so nice. It's such a great look. It's a different look. It fans all of them out. Every lash is getting fanned. Inward, outward, you name it. It's just so good. What do you guys think? Do you see how fast that was? And actually, I'm so surprised that burgundy powder eyeshadow that we used didn't have hardly any fallout. So this one, I don't really feel like I have any fallout on my face. So this palette is a dream. Like, I'm just beating it up. I don't know, I've already hit pan on a few of them, of the shimmers, because it's that perfect. It's just perfection. So I'm just looking to see if there's anything else we can add, but I don't think, you know, I just feel like that was so quick and easy. I'm a little bit shocked myself. I'm like, surely there must be more to do. No, I think that's really perfect. Actually, I just took some of that kind of plummy shade here. Let me look up which one that is. That one is called Who Pudding. The names just crack me up too. Just topping off and just flicking that just on the outer portion just to make the eyes look a bit bigger. Yes, this is just it. I think it's done. Do you guys think so? I feel like, again, though, I feel like I could put more glitter on, but I would love a more glitter to this. You know, let's put some glitter here in the tear duct. Why not? And let's just put glitter. I want it to be a little, I just love shimmer and glitter, like I said, for the holidays. So you can't get enough. Who can get enough, actually? Is it just me? But I can't get enough of all of the shimmer and the glimmer for the holidays. But let's put some on the brow bone right there. That's just a little of the pink shimmer. Just whatever light shimmer you have, you can put it right up there on your brow bone. And let's bring it inward too for a little bit of fun. You know, we need to have the fun. Makeup to me is the most fun. Like when I'm gonna go somewhere, the most fun to me is putting the makeup on. After I can stay home. Actually, I do stay home most of the time because I'm a homebody. So, but I love to just do my makeup. That's why it's so much fun, chit chat, hang out with you guys, do our makeup, and you know, we don't actually have to go anywhere if we don't want to. This is the fun. We're having fun together. What do you guys think? I think that is pretty much it. I'm gonna just, you know, do my face. I just have on concealer right now and powder, some Huda setting powder. But I would just put on some, you know, foundation and some blush. Just not too much though, because the eyes really are the standout. So I'll just do my face a bit and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I just, of course, naturally, as you can see, I put on some foundation. I just used this Lawless foundation. This is made of clean beauty ingredients, skincare infused. It feels so dewy and so hydrating on the skin. So if you have dry skin, this might be a great option for you because it definitely does hydrate your skin and make it feel so nourished. But if you have oily skin, it's gonna feel, I don't know if it'll leave you oily. It definitely feels nourishing and will give you that dewiness to your skin and that plump juiciness. So such a great foundation. And the lip is just a MAC Plum lip liner with just a lip gloss on top. I didn't add lashes, so if you want to add lashes, definitely that would be great to do a more glamorous, a more holiday look. But I just wanted to show you how this mascara performs, how it looks on its own. Especially, you know, lashes do take more time, so this is a quick and easy holiday makeup look. So I just wanted to quickly hop on and share this with you beauties today, and I absolutely love this palette. Again, as you can probably tell, I'm addicted, in love, can't believe there was no fallout. So such a great palette, and I definitely think you could wear this. You'll probably hit pan before before the summer comes, but a lot of these shades you could wear for a while. It's not just for Christmas and things like that. A lot of them are great for every day. So anyway, beauties, thank you so much for spending time with me today. Do you love burgundy eyeshadow looks? Are you addicted to the burgundy shade like everybody else, the fashion, the makeup? Let me know down below if you are a burgundy lover. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And again, thank you to all my new members, and definitely join the membership too down below. It's gonna be a lot of fun, friend mail, all kinds of good stuff. And we'll be making actually those members only videos for you beauties too as well. So let me know what you'd like to see. I could also cover a lot of topics on social media and things like that. Just whatever would be helpful to you, let me know down below. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for spending today with me, and I will see you soon. Bye.